Here I have Motorola Moto G22, and today I'm going to show you how you can remove screen lock from this device in case if you set your self-pin, password or pattern and unfortunately you forget it and can't even unlock your device right now. So what can you do in the miserable situation like this? So firstly, you have to turn your Motorola off, and after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. In the following menu, you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and select an option recovery mode. When you see this Android robot laying down and no command message under it, hold down power key and press volume up once. In the following menu, you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and select an option wipe data factory reset. Then select factory data reset. After a few seconds, message data wipe complete will appear here at the bottom, and after that you can select the first option reboot system now to restart your device, and it will be restarted in about a minute or two or even. Now when you see data wipe complete, we can select reboot system now and device restarts in a few minutes. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.